When your stainless steel surfaces look like this, an effective solution can be SSC. SSC is a stainless steel cleaner that's aerosol based. So what you want to do is point the nozzle about 6 to 12 inches away from your surface and lightly spray. That will unleash the foam that'll sit on the surface there. So for heavily soiled surfaces, you might want to let that sit for a couple minutes. But for now, we'll go ahead and start to scrub this away here. And you can already see a difference it's starting to make on the surface here. So you can see all that grime and water stain is starting to come right off with relative ease here. And we're looking pretty good. So stainless steel cleaner, SSC, is not only a cleaner, but it's also a stainless steel polish. So you can see it leaves a nice shine and protective coat on it, and it also comes in a fresh lemon scent that leaves behind.